One day, a follower asked Gautam Buddha, "Master, what is the value of life?" Buddha gave him a shining stone and said, "Go and find out its value, but do not sell it." The follower went to a fruit seller. The man looked at the stone and said, "Give it to me. I will give you 12 guavas for it." Then he went to a potato seller. He said, "I can give you a sack of potatoes in exchange for this." After that, he went to a goldsmith. The goldsmith's eyes shined. "I will give you 5 million rupees for this stone," he said. When the follower refused, he quickly raised the offer to 20 million, surprised. The follower then went to a jeweler who dealt with diamonds. The jeweler laid down a red cloth, placed the stone on it with great respect, and even bowed to it. Then he said, "Where did you find this priceless ruby? Even if I sell the entire kingdom, I cannot pay for its true value." Shocked, the follower returned to Buddha and told him everything. Buddha smiled and said, "My child, life is like this ruby. But remember, people will judge your value according to their own knowledge, capacity, and understanding. Do not be sad if someone fails to see your true worth. Even the most successful people faced rejection. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, was rejected by Harvard 10 times and was refused jobs more than 30 times. But he never lowered his value in his own eyes. As Bernard Shaw once said, "There will always be thousands of fools trying to judge you. The real mistake is when you start judging yourself like them."